Hi, this is Brother Bryce, and I'm going to help you brand your Lectora interaction. Now, when we first start out with these interactions here on the eLearning Brothers library, you can see there's quite a few that already have kind of a style to them, a look and feel that's associated with it. However, there are a few others that do have a more generic look to it with the black or gray backgrounds and the blue buttons, as well as you might want to change those other ones too. However, for these ones here, let me show you real quick how you can change these to make them look more like your look and feel that you're going towards for your company or for your own purposes. So first off, you need to have these two files here, the version 11, or unless you're using the online. But for my instances here, we're going to use the version 11 and the image assets downloaded. Once you have those downloaded, I put them in a folder here. So let me just minimize this stuff here. And so this is what I got out of that download. These two Photoshop files and then the actual interaction inside Lectora. So as you open it up, you can see that these backgrounds, again, is more of a generic look. Now, we've made these in mind for the user to be able to change them, change the color and the look and feel for it. So in order for you to change it, all you need to do is change the color here in this page background. The page background editable is the object that controls the color of the background. So if I wanted this color blue, say, I go ahead and refresh the page, and then now I have a blue background with those same white, or those same stripes and the gradient that I was looking for. So that's how you change the color of the background, as well as the content background is a similar thing with the Lectora shapes. So say I want it orange, I'll go ahead and change it orange, and I'll just keep the inside white. And then it comes to these buttons. You might want to keep the blue buttons. That has a nice clean look to it. However, again, you might want to change it to make it look more like what you're going towards. So in that case, I have this square gloss button, PSD, for you. And as we open it up, we can see there are three states, down, over, and up. And it makes it really easy to be able to change these by just changing the colors of these three boxes. And the way I change it is I really like this color picker that I've downloaded on Chrome. I can actually pick any color that's inside a web browser. And so I select that, select the color I want. Let's go with this ELB orange. And it copies that color right into my clipboard. So then now I can paste that color inside wherever I want. And the easiest way to change it is using this paint bucket tool. Okay, and once I have that paint bucket selected, I can then come here, say I want this color, and I just pasted that same color from the that color picker that I used. And then I go to the up layer, and I then select that box. And now that box is now orange. Let's go to the over state, and let's hide that other up button. And let's go a little lighter for the up state, or the over state. And then let's go darker on the down state. Let's go back there just so I have a point of reference. Get a darker orange, select the down, and that's pretty much it. I then have the different colors all set out for me, and now I just have to save it. I like using the Save for Web options. So it's Alt-Shift-Control-S for your hotkeys. and this is the down state. And so when I save it, I want to make sure I'm targeting the right image location. So I then go into my course, or this, for this instance, my interaction, my Lectora interaction. And when I'm in here, I have an image folder. And this contains all the images that I've used or that I'm using inside that Lectora file. And so I then can see which ones I'm using, and I see these buttons. And these are the same buttons that I'm using for those tabs. So I then find the one that's the up button. So that's the up. It says 19169 thin button up. And I select it. And so now the file name is targeting that. Save it. Yes, I want to replace it. I'm replacing it with the down. Oh, I messed that up. I need to save it as... I need to save it as the down state, not the up state, because that was the down state. Replace. Then let's save this one out as the up state. All right. Replace. And then this one's the over state. Save. This one is over. Save, replace. And now, as easy as that, I go back to my Lectora file, and magically it has replaced those images. All because what Lectora does is it grabs those images from, this is where that Lectora file is located, the AWT. And inside, or right next to it, is an images folder. And it contains all the images. And that's where it's pulling it from, right? And so now, when I see here, it's pulling those orange buttons once again. So now I have the hover states as the light orange, the dark orange as the down states, and it's all changed. So that's how it looks. So that was a quick tutorial on how to optimize your interactions to fit your company style and your company needs. Thanks a lot, and have a nice day.